Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I want to show you a little product I picked up. These are EDC pouches from AliExpress.com, and I actually didn't know about these until I was watching Muskrat Jim Survival, and he had them on his video. And the selling point for me, honestly, let me put this other one down, was this right here. It's got a pocket right here in the front, and you just undo it. My cell phone, it fits a cell phone, and that's basically why I bought it, because when I'm out doing my thing and camping or just doing a day trip, I can simply hook this to my pack, get my cell phone up out of the way, excuse me, or if I'm doing a hammock overnighter, I can hang this on a ridge line, get my cell phone up out of the way, and I don't have to worry about it getting, I don't have to worry about where it's going to fall or where it's going to go. Alright, so I was going to show you hanging this on a like a pack D-ring, but my Hidden Woodsman pack doesn't have a D-ring, but it does. I can just stick it to the pouch here, and I can just hang my cell phone or whatever I want to put in here and just have it hanging and out of the way. So while I'm walking around, so if you film on your phone, it might be a nice alternative. And by the way, these things are like $2.95 a pop, so but they're really cheap. The shipping was like $4. It's got a zipper pouch inside. It's not super thick, but you know, you could do I mean, there's all kinds of possibilities for carrying here. So you could do, you know, whatever you want. Small items, bug spray, sunscreen, medical, you know, small first aid kit, cell phone, MP3 flare. You could stick it inside and just run a bud up to your ear if that's what you like to do. It comes with a little carabiner on the back here, but I actually had a bunch of these carabiners laying around, so I just added an additional one so I have a little bit more area. Plus it's got a so you can put it on your belt if you wanted to. It's got a, you know, webbing on the back. So the plastic on the thing doesn't feel the best quality, but you know, for $3, you know, see how long it lasts. But I like them. So you could probably build like small kits, or just keeping small things out of your way. You know, pocket knife, bandana, whatever. I thought they were kind of neat, so I picked them up. They were cheap. I've had them for a little while. I just haven't get them out. I haven't been able to get them out yet. But yeah, maybe something to look at. The only thing I don't like about AliExpress though is they like to send a lot of emails. Like I had like every other day I had an email from them going, hey, your package is on the way. Hey, your package is on the way. It's like, all right. And then they're constantly sending me emails saying, hey, recommended for you. I did see some things on there that were like they were literally 1 penny. So it's like, do I need it though? Like one of them was like a titanium sport. I thought, okay, I already have like 3, but at that price it's like, you know, they're just trying to get you to keep cooking and buying more. So I thought they were kind of cool pouches, so I'll link the description down below for you if you want to go give them a look. And thanks for watching. Just a quick little product review, and we'll have a good one. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Got my Harshman Hills Slingshot out, and I've got the bands on here. I actually haven't shot it yet with the new bands. I might do a close-up with the other camera and show you what I did to mount those. And I also went out on Amazon. I picked up some clay clay ammo. So it looks like this. I might do a close-up of these too. And I got my shot bag, which I dumped my marbles out. Just put them in the bag so they don't go flying everywhere. So I'll give you a close-up and then we'll start shooting. Alright. So what I did is I squeezed, it actually comes all the way out to here. And I soaked this in rubbing alcohol and squeezed them over. But just to secure it, I put a zip tie on there. Hopefully just to keep it on there. Then I added one of my leather lanyards. And this is what the clay shot looks like. I just threw it in a old pill bottle, keep them all together, because it was a big set I bought at Amazon. It was like a $20 for like 2 big bags. So we'll just pour those in there. Make sure I have the lid on, because otherwise it'll fall and I'll lose it. A little closer this time. Yeah, that was that was pretty horrendous. I kept going to the right, and I was trying to, even though I would move my hand to the left a little, I'd still hit to the right. So these bands, it's like I could almost get like no pull on them. It's like they're really, I don't know if I gotta break them in, but they're really tight, or I'm just really weak. So